Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is making a look under budget. So yeah, without further any delay, let's jump into the video. Here I am using Dove moisturizer to moisturize my skin. If you are watching my video from India, you can go for Pond's and any other moisturizer that's affordable. Next, for priming my skin, I am using an aloe vera gel. For my Indian girls, you can go for Swiss Beauty or Inside Cosmetics primer. Next, here I am using an eyebrow pencil which is only 50 taka. And the good part is it also has a spoolie. You can find easily pencils like that under 50 to 100 in local market. First, I am going to deposit the color into my sparse area of eyebrows, then I am going to blend it with the spoolie. Next, I am going to take a red lipstick to color correct my under eyes dark circle. After that, I am using a concealer to prime my lid. Also, I am cleaning the borders of my eyebrows. That's the way how your eyebrows look so lifted. And I am using a sponge to blend my product. And for today's eye look, I am going to use an eyeshadow palette which is called Neptune, and this is from the brand Beauty Quest. And also I am using this Manji brushes, and this is also very easily available in market. First I am going to apply a yellow color into my brow bone. Then I am taking this beautiful sky blue color to apply above crease. I am building my color little by little and blending it into a proper way. For my deep crease, I am taking this deep navy blue color. Don't take too much product at a time, it makes your eye look patchy and hard to blend. I'm taking small amount of product and blending it, and again I'm taking more color. With this process, I can blend my eyeshadow easily and it does look smoother. You have to make sure that there is no harsh line left in your eye look. That's the main key of a good eye look. After blending the navy blue shade, I am going to cut my crease with a concealer, and then I am going to add a shimmery blue color into my lid. Now I am blending the edges so that it does look good. For my eyeliner, here I am using the Lakme Insta Liner, which is only 120 rupees. Also in Bangladesh you find it for only 200 rupees. Here I am trying to draw a wing liner. I feel like I am so bad at drawing eye lines, so I am still trying to learn. Okay, so next for my foundation, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me One, and this is their smallest version. For my Bangladeshi girls, you can find any foundation under 300 which works good, like Party Queen and Focallure, Eye Magic. Also, I'm using a sponge which is from local market. You can find it under 100 rupees from any local market. But honestly, I will not suggest this kind of product, this kind of sponges, I mean, because this is hard to blend. As you can see, I'm literally struggling to blend my product. To concealing my under eyes, I am going to use this iMagic concealer. I think this shade is too light for me. For my Indian girls, you can go for another concealers under 300 rupees like Swiss Beauty, Mars, Cuffs and Lashes. There are so many good brands. So the concealer was little hard to blend with the sponge, so I'm here using my fingers. I'm using the Rimmel press powder to set my under eyes. For my lower lash line, I took the sky blue color in a blending brush and I'm blending it into my lower lash line. I took a pointy brush and using the navy blue color, I am smudging it under my tear duct. Here I am using a palette which is under 300 rupees and it has everything like blushes and contouring shade. I took a deep color to contour my cheek and now I am blending it with a sponge. I took a pink color to apply in my cheeks and I'm using it as my blush. Honestly, colors of this palette is not blendable. I mean, this is hard to blend. I'm applying them with a brush and then I'm trying to blend them with a beauty sponge. I'm making sure everything does look very smooth and flawless, and I think this is the key of a good makeup look. Here I'm taking a mascara which is from local market, and I don't think it works perfectly for my lashes because I have very teeny tiny lashes. For lipstick, I'm here using a lipstick which is from local market. You can easily find this under 50 rupees and it gives a very matte finish, so I needed to give it a glossy finish, so I added some gloss over the lipstick. If you do not have a gloss, you can go for a lip balm which gives you the shiny look. And here I completed my look. Do let me know how you like this look. You can easily carry this look on each day night. And if you do like my video, then don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all next time. Till then, bye bye.